So welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So we tried to clean up there in the grass, but we got a lot of grass growing. So we're gonna mower it, I think this week or next week. So we're gonna mower it, and then we're just deciding that after we do the mower, we're gonna spray it so that it will not grow. And that's what we're gonna do also on the other side. We're gonna clean up there because the trees are growing big, and it might be difficult for us later on when the trees are bigger, so because we plan to planting there, so as you see, there's a lot of grass. This kind of grass, we call it kogon. So it's growing very, very fast, so we just mower it, I think 2 months or 3 months ago, and as you see, the trees are growing. So we just decided, I said to Terence, we're gonna mower it, and then after it, spray it, because even if we mower it every 2 months, the grass just spread up, just grow very, very fast. So that's lovely over there, doing a barbecue. So I'm just gonna go there. Look at this lazy dog. So that's our problems on the grass. I think everybody got problems on their yard. So if our yard is just this, so we will not be worried, because we can able to clean it, and also the front, but cleaning every every 2 months, doing the mower, it just we cannot able to come up, just Terence and I and Lovely and Ate Beck come here just to clean up also. So instead of doing the mower, we just decided to spray it, especially during rainy seasons when the grass just easily grow up. So somebody commented, somebody commented about our yard, so that's the answer of their question.